This problem is from NCERT, question number 2. A bag contains 4 red and 4 black balls. So our idea is to draw the tree diagrams. So bag A is given, bag B is given. One of the two bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn from the bag and which is found to be red. Okay. The question is given, one of the bag is drawn and a ball is drawn and found to be red. So it's given. So whatever is given, I'll just mark with a red color, underline. What is the probability? I'll mark with a blue color. The probability that the ball drawn is the first bag. As discussed earlier, we told that the second branch is whatever is given, found to be red. And the first will be from the whatever the probability is asked is found. We have what is the probability we have to find. So first, if you look at it, there are two bags, a bag and another bag. So how many branches? As it has two bags, the bag, another bag. How many bags? Say this is one bag, this is second bag. So how many branches? There are two branches out there. Okay. First, let's and so this is one of the, we can make out a ball is drawn from the first bag. So that's, the bag 1 is the first and the bag 2. Okay. And then it has two another branches. Correct. It has 4 red and black balls. So it's given 4. And here it's given again 4. And what's called? The second bag is 2 red and 6 black. So 2 red and 6 black. This is the tree diagram we wrote. What additionally we have to do is we have to write the probability. So probability of choosing is very easy. Total is 8. So 4 by 8. Because 4 red plus 4 black, total is how much? 8. So we wrote 8. Again, here also 2 red and 6. This is 6. So it will be 2 by 8 and 6 by 8. So probability of choosing a bag is nothing but half. So this is the total tree diagram of the problem. Now we have to find out the probability that the ball drawn is the first. What I told, we have learned in conditional, whatever is given, the red, found to be red, will be on the down. So found to be red. And on the top, it will be given that the ball drawn is first bag. Ball drawn from the first bag. Drawn. I am writing just first bag. At this juncture, no need to write all, just write the answers. So what's the total probability? So the total probability will be, we can choose bag, that is half, into choosing a red ball is 4 by 8. I have to choose always a red ball, plus I can choose bag, be in that it is, this is the total one. And what is the probability that it is from bag 1 is half into 4 by 8. So if you solve this, you will get the answer. So what we are going to do, this 2, 8, 2, 8, I can take common. So comes out to be how much? 4 divided by 4 plus 2. which comes out to be 4 by 6. In fact, it is 2 by 3. So the answer for the question 2 is 2 by 3. So this is a way to solve the problem. As I told, the thumb rule was whatever the red
1
one is
o'clock.
there will be either in the second branch or in the second branch, and find the probability always will be in the first branch. So now I'm going to write it the way in CBSE they write it, so that you will be able to write and get the full marks out of it. This is the understanding part. The same problem I'm going to write the way. So here again, for our convenience, what we'll do, we'll draw the tree diagram. Okay, and then so this is choosing bag 1, choosing bag 2, again second branch, we need to choose either red ball or blue ball. I'm just writing the probability. So this is given half, this is given half. There are 4 red balls out of 8, so 4 this, and this is again red, blue. So just need to check it, how many are red were there in the second case. That is 2 and 6. So that's 2 by 8 and 6 by 8. Okay. So I represent B1, the event. You can write let B1 be an event of choosing bag A. Bag A. Again, similarly, can I write B2 be an event of choosing bag B. So we got bag B1, we got bag B2. So probability of bag B1, if you see, it's half, and probability of bag 2 also it's half. One more thing I forgot to tell, that the sum of the branches, the sum of the probability will be always 1 in the first branch. Now, probability of R represent, R be an event of choosing a red ball, and B be an event choosing which color ball? I just see black one. Fine. So we defined all the events. What we have to write is, as I told, whatever the red color, we have to write it down given that probability, and it has to be from bag 1. So directly what you can write the formula. So probability, you can choose bag 1 into probability of R on the condition of bag 1. We are choosing red ball from once we choose the bag 1. Again, I hope you got this. Now probability of bag 2 I am choosing into probability of red on the condition of black 2. On the top we can write probability of R on the bag 1 on the condition of R divided by, this is P1. So what we can do it is Now just substitute the values on that so that we get the answer. If you look at the branches, or remember, it's the same. First, I'll write the total probability, that is half into 4 by 8 plus half into 2 by 8. On the top it will come half into 4 by 8. If you write this much, you will get full marks. I just want to cancel this 8. So the issue is not writing the all the events. Issue is how to solve it. We generally get confused in this. So 4 by 6, that is nothing but 2 by 3.